Hi, Patrick. What you got there? Babe, you're on video. You egghead.
Taking a picture.
Look at these badasses. Oh my God. We're here at a ranch. We got to guess you could get changed now, honey. We got to land out here, and just for a very short time because we're having major helicopter technical difficulties, and we changed helicopters 3 times, and it kind of stinks because our tour was massively cut short. But it is gorgeous out here at this ranch. I don't know how many miles from the Grand Canyon we flew, and it's a real working ranch, and I wish we could have stayed here longer. We just got to eat a great meal, and I'm just showing this a little bit because we're going to get back on really soon. Horseshoes, anyone? It's pretty cool. Signing off. Get married tomorrow, guys. Keep in touch. Bye.